What's going on, guys? It's Sombreski with an install guide for seamless co-op and randomizer together. In the description of this video, I'm going to put the links for the 4 mods you need, which are Elden, modloader, modengine 2.0. You're going to need the randomizer mod as well as the seamless co-op mod. Now, modengine 2.0 is on GitHub, whereas the rest are on Nexus mods. So don't be dissuaded from that. Just pick the assets under preview 4 and then just the zip file, the first zip file. Download that for modengine 2.0. For those of you that don't know how to unzip files, you can download 7-zip or WinRAR or WinZip. There's a bunch of different ones, but you need an unzipping software, and you're gonna drag these downloaded files to your desktop or something. Extract all straight to the desktop. Okay, cool. So once we've extracted all of these, I'll show you how to move them, where to put them. Okay, so we have all of our stuff now, and what you need to do is find your Elden Ring game folder. Now, for most people, if you go to your Steam apps under Program Files 86, Steam Apps, Common, Elden Ring game, boom. This is your Elden Ring folder. The faster way is to go to Browse Local Files in Steam, but once you get here, you grab the things that we've extracted, and I'll show you how we're going to do this first. So first we're going to start with Seamless Co-op. So this is going to get dragged into our game folder, and this is going to get dragged as well for right this second. So what we're going to do is we're going to launch Seamless Co-op first before we do anything else, just so that if Seamless Co-op is working, it launches the files it needs to run, and then we're going to install the other pieces. And I will also explain how to set summon passwords. You're basically just editing a text file, and whatever you change it to is what your friends need to also change theirs to. And that will be in the Seamless Co-op folder under Seamless Co-op settings. It's pretty straightforward. It says it here, right at the equal sign. Type in your password. We'll say it's Sombreski, and then file save. The next thing we need is modloader. So modloader, you're just going to grab all this, drag it straight into your game. And then, now that we've launched Seamless Co-op, we're going to keep this here, but these files are going to go into your game. Paste, boom. So now we have that there. You can delete this folder. After that step, we're going to get our modengine 2.0. You're going to copy, drag everything here into your game. Now this is where it gets different. At this point we're going to find our randomizer folder, which should be right here. You're going to put this within mod. You're going to put randomizer, boom, randomizer's in there, and now we have the actual application. And at first you have to select your Elden Ring. So we're going to go choose settings, and this is if you want to know my settings for the playthrough that I'm doing, I can show you. So allow unwieldable weapons. This is cool if you want like more variety in your starting classes rather than just like weapons that are pretty basic because you can already wield them. So you'll get some wild customization if you add that. Now custom enemy placement, this part is important. So if we go to enemy randomizer, custom enemy placement, you have to check this box. And then if you do oops all and you do all enemies and bosses, you're gonna get instances where you might have passive wildlife as your bosses, and it's pretty frequent because they outnumber the actual number of real enemies in this game by a lot, like all the deer and the birds and the stuff of that nature. So I would recommend, instead of doing oops all, you do the custom, and you're going to want to do excluded and put in like passive wildlife. At the very minimum, if you still want it to be a challenge. Now, if you want it just truly, truly, truly random, there's nothing wrong with that. I think for the sake of keeping it fun and challenging, though, I'd kind of do randomize my stuff. So we're going to do custom, exclude, passive for all those. So we're going to randomize items and enemies. Now that we've selected our game exe and adjusted our settings. And you'll see at the bottom here where it's writing, this bar is going to go up. Once it gets to 100%, it'll go green. It's done and it's working. So I'm going to prove that to you. We're going to play the game. So now you know how to get seamless co-op working. And just to prove that to you, as you can see, I have Effigy of Millennia. I've got the items. And I've got the fun times. So, Sombroski had a good time making this video for you guys. If you liked it, smash that like button and subscribe for more Elden Ring related content. I will be trying other mods and we're probably making guides for those as well. But thank you guys for watching and be sure to stay tuned for the next video. Sombroski out.